I'm hungry. What can I eat? Rice or pasta? Pasta is my favorite food. And a salad and cake. Let's make pasta. We need some water. And salt. And pasta. A little bit more. Let's turn on the stove. Okay, now let's make the cake. We need flour and sugar. Some flour and some sugar. Then we need milk and eggs. Milk and eggs. 1 and 2 eggs. And milk. And then we need baking powder. Now, let's stir. Stir, 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 stir. Oh no! A color blackout! Oh, not now. All right, let's finish the cake, okay? We need chocolate powder. Which one is chocolate powder? Chocolate powder is brown. Which one is brown? Let's try this one. Stir. And now in the oven. Let's turn on the oven. All right. And now the pasta, let's see. Not yet. Let's make the salad. Lettuce. Lettuce is green. Which one is green? Let's try this one. Let's cut. And now, cherry tomatoes. Which ones are cherry tomatoes? Cherry tomatoes are red. Which ones are red? But let's try these ones. And then, onion. Which one is onion? Onions are white. Which one is white? Let's try this one. It's time to strain the pasta. Now, we need the tomato sauce. Which one is the tomato sauce? Tomato sauce is red. Which one is red? Let's try this one. Yummy pasta! They fixed the color cable. Oh. But this pasta is strange. Tomato sauce is red and this pasta is brown. Why? Because I put chocolate syrup, not tomato sauce. Chocolate syrup is brown. Tomato sauce is red. Oh, this salad is strange. Why? Because I put radicchio, not lettuce. Radicchio is red and lettuce is green. These cherry tomatoes are strange. Because I put blueberries. Blueberries are blue. And cherry tomatoes are red. And also this onion is strange because I put orange, not onion. Orange is orange. Onion is white. Oh. The cake! Oh no! My chocolate cake is red! Why? Because I put chili powder, not chocolate powder. Chili powder is red. Chocolate powder is brown. Oh. What can I eat? I'll make some rice. What are we learning? Eat, pasta, salad, rice, cake, food, brown, red, blue, green, orange. I put radicchio, not lettuce. Orange, not onion. Blueberries, not cherry tomatoes. Goodbye!